Hi, my name is Steve Manning with LVI Sales and Equipment. We're here today to introduce the UBE720, one of Brandt Trailers' premium galvanized trailers. This is an 18-foot solid deck with bifold drop-down spring-assisted ramps. It has the premium fur decking, dual torsion axles, 7,000-pound rating each, fully galvanized, 8-inch frame, lockable toolbox, 10,000-pound turn jack. This is a quality trailer that we have marked down just under $3,000. This trailer today sells for $11,788. Come on down, we'll make you a deal.